sa kanila, and good thing for them, they were able to make the right decisions down the stretch. Kaya nga nasungkit nila itong kanilang unang panalo, and in that ball game, makita yung depensa nila dito. They were able to make 10 blocks, a testament to the type of interior defense na meron itong Las Piñas.
Well, syempre, kailangan na natin makita kung sino naman ang mag-uwi ng pagkapanalo in game number 2. Bigay na natin to kay Gio Cruz para sa starting 5.
Academy as we bring you Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 4, ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino. Seen under division between the Las Piñas Fruity Coolers and Cavite City Hoopla Royal Air Philippines. Now let us meet the starters first for Cavite City Hoopla Royal Air Philippines. Starting guard number 9, Michael Lopez. To guard number 18, Carl Keon. At forward number 14, Joaquin Lomat. Also at forward number 77, Rhyme de los Reyes. And at center number 71, Kyle Carrion. The head coach is John Estrada, assisted by Alvin Harabe, Manu Canunevo, Dorel Giab, Rodrigue Pais. Team manager Ed Davillas and team owner John Estrada. And now let us meet the starters for your Las Piñas Fruity Coolers. Starting guard number 19, Ross Pasilio. To guard number 13, Steven De Leon. At forward number 14, Enzo Paxon. Other forward number 15, Nigel Dalimocon. And starting center number 34, Miko Hans. The head coach is Egay Bilyones, assisted by Wendell Cadiz, Louis Lonto, Kiko Mendoza, Carl Magpantay. Team manager Michael Te and team owners Ron Moreno and L.A. Hule. Officiating these ball games.
At yun nga, no, before we start the tip-off, starting 5 muna tayo. Doray team starters natin para sa Cavite City. We got Lopez, Lomat, Carrion, and Rhyme. Para naman sa Las Piñas, we got Pexon, Dalimocon, Pasilio, De Leon, and Sanz. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Jano Campo, Coach Melo Navarro, CJ Ang bringing you the action live here in the 16 and under division. And here we go, starting game number 2. First ball possession, mapupunta yan sa Cavite City. Sizing up muna tayo as we enter the first quarter, but great anticipation and steal coming from Pexon. Las Piñas naman ang bola, but muntik pa ma-turnover doon. Great stop by De Los Reyes.
Speaking of size, no, makikita mo yung size advantage na meron itong Las Piñas. Triple tower.
Early itong starting 5 nila, no? Tatlo yung tore nila. Oh, just bouncing off the glass. Mabilis na natapik yan ni De Los Reyes. Go straight to the basket. Layup too strong. Follow-up is in.
Medyo nagmadali that time itong Cavite City, pero buti na lang nga nandoon yung kanilang big man para matapos yung tira na yun.
Oh, spins and goes to the basket. Wala. Literal na sumakay kay Pexon itong si number 71, si Carrion.
Yung mga ganong sitwasyon, kahit nandito tayo sa malayo, napapatigil yung oras eh.
Oo.
So every time, good thing, walang nangyaring masama doon.
Pero na nga, pahinga muna dito si Carrion. Papalitan muna siya ni Coach John. Oh, heavily contested si Dalimocon doon. That will not work.
Sabi ng Cavite City, you may have the height, pero di mapapantayan yung disiplina naman nila.
And this time, pumuntos naman doon ang Cavite. Once again, making it a 4-0. Early in the first quarter. So speaking of Las Piñas, ano, Coach, yung na-reject kanina, that was Dalimocon. Pero itong si Nigel Dalimocon scored 22 points and 9 rebounds in their last outing with a very close win kontra sa Batangas. But right now, they are yet to find their score.
Turnovers hurting them, talking about Las Piñas. And again, we mentioned nga kanina dun sa 14 under, meron ng may advantage of scouting itong Cavite City.
Oo.
You mentioned one player scoring 22 points for sure. Markado yan para dito sa mga nakapula.
Oo. And kita natin dito, yung athleticism ng 14 and under ng Cavite City, nakikita natin dito sa 16 and under, and mas improved pa from downtown Mintis. Rebound yan ni Pasilyao para sa Las Piñas. Drops it off. Gandang pasa noon, and the finish is Miko Sanz.
Hesitation move. Dropping it off to Sanz. Gandang basketball ang pinakita sa atin doon ng Las Piñas.
4 and 2, lamang ng dalawa ang Cavite City. Bola na naman nila. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan, but Dalimocon was there. Counter steal, balik sa Cavite City ang bola. No dribble needed, napalakas lang ang tira. Sa kanila pa rin, pero yun na nga. Nag-reset ang oras, and the shot will go in. This time, that will come from John Carr.
Nakakuha sa sipag yung possession na yun.
Oh, miscommunication sa pagitan ni Dalimocon and ni Sanz.
There's really no need to rush if you're Las Piñas. You have the height advantage. Pwede mong bagalang konti yung laro eh.
Not sure if they're feeling the pressure na pinakita ng 14 and under kanina. Ito namang 16 and under, first game. Medyo hindi pa sila pamilyar sa mga nakakaharap nila. The names like Sanz and Dalimocon are very familiar, especially, and probably a few other players for Las Piñas, especially from the last season and the previous other seasons as well. Dahil nga, kumbaga, medyo veterano na sila dito sa junior MPBL natin. And ngayon, nandito pa rin sila sa season 4, but they probably moved up from 14 to 16 and under, or they probably played in the 16 and under last season. Pero yun na nga,
our referees are conferring right now. I wonder what it is. Could
since,
be, I don't know. But it could be because of the shot clock earlier.
Maaaring yun nga yung kino-contest kasi actually hindi ko rin rinig exactly kung ano yung kailangan review ng ating referees. Nakita ko na lang, sabi ko wala naman timeout, pero kinakausap nila Coach Egg and Coach Jan yung kanilang mga players.
I wasn't sure if the buzzer sounded kanina, you know.
Actually, ito, tingnan natin. Ayun, ito yung kay Sanz, that last possession. Pero ganun pa man, pumasok yun dun sa unang bounce, pero papunta pa rin siya sa bench ng Las Piñas. Wala pa rin tao makakasalo nun, except the bench people.
Okay, looks like everything is in order.
Yes. Balik action tayo dito. Almost 3 minutes ang nakalipas in our first quarter. Bola ng Cavite City. Nagmamadali, umaatake, nakahanap ng libre. Wala nga lang finish doon, pero matatawagan ng foul. Itong si Miko Sanz.
Mapapansin natin itong Cavite City, no? They may be the smaller team, but they're using their size, their aggressiveness para makakuha ng advantage sa larong to.
Ito na nga si Ventura, nakapuntos na ng isa, galing sa line. Second free throw. Basic lang yan kay Ventura. 2 for 2. Bola na naman ng Las Piñas.
That's why coaches teach players not to inbound under the board, no? Dahil yan, isa sa mga tendency. And if there's a long pass that you need to give, mahihirapan ka.
Hindi lang siya nakakaalangan eh. Talagang sasabit yan.
Oo, sigurado.
Yung trajectory kasi ng bola alanganin ka sa ilalim. Pero yun na nga. Bola na naman ng Cavite City. Lamang sila dito ng 6. Pupukol ng 3. Mintis. Dalimocon to number 1. Adrias. Adrias loses the ball. Great tap by Carr. Loma turns around. Jumps. Mintis ang tira. Bola pa rin ng Cavite City. (8 to 2 ang score natin dito sa 6 and 32 seconds remaining in the first quarter sa 16 and under division. Pero 14 seconds na lang ang meron sa shot clock ng Cavite City and mag-i-inbound dyan sa 17. Quick play, won't work this time.
Everything but the shot there. Gandang inbound play sana.
Ooh, heavily contested, and that won't work for Las Piñas. Looking for the fast break finish. High off the glass, John Ventura.
A difficult shot para dito kay Ventura.
Ooh. Napasobra lang ng sundot doon si John Carr.
Over-aggressive that time itong si Carr.
As we take a look at this once again.
Good forward pass para dito sa Cavite City. And what about that finish? High arcing shot.
Just to evade the defender and gets the finish. At ito na naman, Lopez naman this time. Fast break finish, may kasama pang foul.
Cavite City in full speed dito sa ating ball game. If you're Las Piñas, you have to be able to sprint back in transition. Because if you don't, plays like this will happen para sa Cavite City.
Pound for pound fitness foul counted play. Lopez pupuntos at may kasama pang isang free throw. Michael Lopez at the line. Pero yun na nga, technical free throw muna dito si Pexon.
I wonder what happened there.
One of the things that I can see is yung maring sa uniform. Yun
Oo.
naman yung pwede ka technical nila.
Akala ko natawagan ng overspeeding itong Cavite City dahil ang bilis ng laro.
You're doing an 80 on a 60. Kaso nga lang, Coach Melo, Las Piñas was not able to capitalize on that technical free throw. Balik ito si Michael Lopez sa linya, and yun na nga, complete sa 3-point play.
Strong start para dito sa Cavite City, holding Las Piñas to only 2 points.
Susubok sa 3 sa Las Piñas, medyo malakas pa. Defensive rebound, takbo dito ang Cavite City. Ventura, no dribble needed, nilabas nga lang.
Sayang yon para dito kay Ventura. Needed to change hands in mid-air kaya nailang yung tira.
Oo. Number 27, drive through the basket, walang bantay, Ivan Cayetano.
That's what you need to do. Attack that basket strong. Good move para kay Cayetano.
Ventura, hesitated na that 3, gets rejected by number 85, Prolaje.
Kumahanap pa ng foul si Ventura doon.
Oo. Ooh. What a steal again by Cavite City. Pupuntos ang lalim ng layup na yun pero hindi nga lang papasok. Anticipated. Another steal by Cavite City.
Takbuhan na.
Balik-balik itong mga bata na to. Lopez decides to do a jumper and it's in.
Sabi ni Lopez, hindi naman kailangan lahat dinadaan sa mabilisan.
Oo.
Going for that jump stop. Itong si Lopez, perimeter shot for him.
Prolaje gives it to 27. Ball stolen once again. Back-to-back-to-back steals para dito sa Cavite City. Mauuwi nga lang yan sa counter steal nito ni Mateo. Lopez tried to get another steal for Cavite City. Yun nga lang, natawagan siya ng foul in that last play. As we take a look at this one more time.
This was the move from Lopez. Diba? Up until the last second, di alam nung depensa kung anong gagawin niya.
Oo.
It's as if he was just looking for somebody to pass to. Pero yun, nahanap niya yung spot sa floor.
Great control of the ball and yung controlled shot as well. Only touching the net on that last Lopez shot.
Normally, hindi ka naman mag-headband kung wala kang papatunayan di ba? And yan, Lopez showing us na isa siya sa mga magtitimo para sa kupunan na to.
And siya nga lang naka-headband dito sa mga nakapula. So kitang-kita, actually sa lahat na nasa floor. So kitang-kita natin kagad dito si Lopez. Great find and the finish this time. Ito namang si number 86 sa pupuko, or 85, si Prolaje.
Kitang-kita rin yung magandang pasa doon. Itong si Cruz.
Ooh, great use of the glass. This time, ito namang si 43, Roniel Castillo.
Roniel Castillo. Unorthodox yung finish niya na yun, na-kontra-tempo.
Another steal by Lopez. Very active hands and defense. Oh, try to be unselfish on that end. Pero yun na nga, mapupunta sa Las Piñas ang bola.
Quick passing on the part of Cavite City pero napakailaman ng Las Piñas doon.
Oo. Turnover dyan ng Cavite City. Pero lamang sila dito ng 11. In our first quarter, 17-6, 3:23 remaining. Early double team in the backcourt. Itong si 45, Mateo Jovic.
Looks like it's gonna be a foul away from the basketball. Madiin dumipensa itong Cavite City. But sabi ng ating officials, lahat ng sobra hindi pa pwede.
Oo. Kala ko, illegal clapping yung sinesenyas ni Rep Trying to figure out kung sino yung naka-foul Ganun pa man, bola nitong Las Piñas with 14 on their shot clock. No more fouls to give ang Cavite City. Otherwise, they will go to a penalty situation. Oh! Loses the ball once again. Cavite City, takbo sila dito. Looking for the fast break finish. Heavily contested, Mintes. Sa kanila pa rin ang bola.
Good effort on the part of Las Piñas that time. Muntik na namang makanakaw itong mga nakapula.
Well, I wonder how many turnovers they have now after. Not just a couple of steals from Cavite City, but that was, I think, 4 or 5.
8 turnovers already para dito sa Las Piñas.
And yun na nga, isang mabilisang play. Right now, si John Carr naman ang pupuntos. Cavite City.
The last guy you expect na makakanakaw sa ilalim, no? The smallest on the floor but playing with a lot of heart itong si Carr.
Unselfish play sana. Muntik pa magkaroon ng miscommunication. Pero magko-control dyan si Seth Cruz.
Dalawa silang nandun sa shaded area. Good thing, nasa loob nitong si Cruz yung pasa.
2 attempts missed para sa Cavite City. Las Piñas naman. Great ball movement. Balik yan kay number 1, Mintes. That was Adrias.
Everything but the shot. Textbook fast break sana yun para sa kanila.
Great attempt by Cavite City but gets fouled in the process. Itong si Castillo.
Pagdating sa takbuhan, nakikita natin talagang itong Cavite City in control.
Ronel Castillo taking his first trip to the line. First quarter pa lang natin, exactly 2 minutes. Medyo malamig pa at the line itong si Castillo.
And you could see here, Coach Eka Billones motivating his team. As a coach, part talaga yan
Oo.
Especially when you're down big. Hahanap ka ng paraan kung paano mo maibabalik yung kumpiyansa ng kupunan mo.
Exactly. And nakita na nga natin to kanina, Coach, in our game number 1, a dominant win by the 14 under of Cavite City. Now, 2 against 1. Look at that glide to the basket. None other than Ryan De Los Reyes. And dahil dyan, napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Las Piñas. Balik tayo in a few.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
We're still watching the Junior MPBL Season 4 at para kay Assistant Coach Elvin Harabe. He shared that with the 16 under team, they have always had good trainings. Coaches are expecting maturity and leadership from De Los Reyes, Carr, and Lopez. And hopefully, their good performances during training will materialize in their first game today. Gentlemen.
Thank you so much, CJ. 22 kontra 8. 22-10. Nakapuntos dyan si Cruz. Stop and pop. Para kay De Los Reyes. Mintes. Las Piñas naman ako ng bola. Double teamed.
Walang pagkakataong mag-relax if you're Las Piñas. Especially, yun na nga, finding himself in a dangerous spot on the floor. Ginamit ng Cavite City yung half-court line to be another defender.
As we see here, itong si Cruz. Getting flashy on that glide to the basket and was successful in doing so.
Good timeout para sa kanila, nakapuntos agad.
Oo. At yun na nga, on the other end. Las Piñas naman ang pupunta ito sa Dalimocon at the line.
Yan ang gusto ko sa youth basketball. Yun naman yung maganda doon, sa naging last play na yun. Minagat sa foul itong si Castillo.
Oo. Dalimocon shooting. Yun na nga. 1 out of 2 at the line.
Oo.
So second one, napasok niya doon. 22-11, lamang ng 11 dito ang Cavite City. On the rush. There will be a whistle on that last sequence. 1 minuto, 9 segundo natitira dito sa ating first quarter. 11-22. Double digit pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Cavite City. Dalimocon, balik sa linya.
Oo, that was a good timeout para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas. And nagbago nga yung complexion ng laro. No? After that, they were able to score a basket right away. And then ngayon, second trip to the free throw line para sa kanila.
Tingnan natin, Dalimocon. Palaging yung pangalawa ang naipapasok niya doon. No? So far, they're down by 10 points, 22-12. And we're nearing the end of our first quarter. Cavite City naman ang atake. Heavily guarded from the backcourt, no problem. Trying to cross the defense. The crowd liked it. Pero yun nga lang, no conversion on that last possession.
Ganda sana ng play na yun.
Oo. Yun naman, in speaking of a magandang play, nakapuntos dyan si Corsiga ng Las Piñas.
At eto, nagigising na. Pati yung crowd at supporters ng Las Piñas.
Pumukol sana si Santos doon ng mabilisang tres. Kaso nagmintis. Second chance. Wala pa din. Defensive rebound Las Piñas naman.
Hindi maingatan yung possession, no?
Oo. "23 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Pasiliao setting things up for Las Piñas. Dalimocon, guarded by De Los Reyes. Finds the man in the shaded area. Number 14 fades away. Pexon gets it in.
Another score in the paint para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas. Pexon coming alive in that.
Yun nga lang.
May foul na naitawag doon. Question is, may oras pa ba?
That was right at the buzzer. And tingnan natin, itong isang referee natin na nakakita ng foul. Pero ang kinokontest naman ng Las Piñas, end of the first quarter, yun na nga. I think coach to clarify, hindi na pumasok yung foul na yun.
Nauna yung final buzzer before that foul.
Oo, and dahil dyan, 22-16 ang ating score. Lamang ang Cavite City, balik tayo when the second quarter starts.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. We are entering our second quarter, Coach Melo, just like that. 6 na lang ang kalamangan ng Cavite City despite them having the ball possession right now.
Well, that timeout of Coach Egay Billones, no, making magic out of that timeout. At ito nga, turnover. Bola mapupunta sa Las Piñas. So good things happening right now para dito sa Las Piñas.
And I forgot to mention, Las Piñas True Tea Coolers, this is their hometown, home team ito. Kaya tignan natin kung paano makakatulong being in their hometown kontra dito sa bagong kupunan o bagong lineup ng Cavite City. Game number 1 nila. Carr misses that jumper. Crosses the defense, drops it off. Won't work this time.
Well defended was that attack. Offensive foul ang may tatawag.
Oo. He was surprised itong si
Oo.
Kyle Carrion, pero tingnan natin.
He was, yun muna yung magandang depensa. And after that rebound, he might have a case there
Oo.
about Carrion. But again, of course, yung officials natin, better angle on the floor.
Oo.
Nakita lang natin yung isang side, probably on the other side, mas klaro yun.
Oo, pero yun na nga. Las Piñas was not able to capitalize that last ball possession, pero ball stolen by Las Piñas. Sila na naman nga atake. Oh! Wasted opportunity right there.
Already had a shot, but wanting to share that basketball na pasobra yung pasa doon.
Oo. Too many pass para dito kay Adrias. Cavite City. Oh. Thought about that three almost near the half court. There would be a whistle on that last play.
Already playing good defense was Pasilyao, but on the last second, binump niya pa kaya natawagan siya doon.
2 free throws itong si John Carr. Napalakas ang unang tira.
Effective yung sigaw ng crowd.
Oo, nakakadagdag dun sa lakas ng tira. Pero for now, while John Carr is at the line, bigyan muna natin to kay CJ for some courtside action.
Thank you. Ayon kay head coach, Coach Egay Bellones ng Las Piñas, this team has the capability to win games if they want to at kung ilalaban talaga nila. Coach also shared that most of their players came from their 14-under team with one of their key players, Bautista, missing in this game as he obtained a sprain injury yesterday sa kanilang training. It might be a challenge, but coach is hopeful that the team can still pull this off today. Gentlemen.
Basta 22-16 is our score, pero kasi simula lang ng ating second quarter, nearing the 2-minute, almost 2 minutes has gone by. Bola ng Cavite City dito. Kita natin dyan, ganun pa rin. 6 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Cavite City with only 3 seconds on the shot clock. Decides to shoot. Nakakadrop pa nga ng foul.
Good 45 cut right there. Weak side action, very important, especially nowadays na yung mga defensive schemes are too advanced. Diba that if you become stagnant sa offense, kung nakatayo ka lang, you're helping the defense. Pero ito, this is a perfect case of moving well without the basketball.
John Ventura naman. 1 out of 2 at the line. Dalimocon secures the board. Mateo. Crossing. Dalimocon. Oh. Loses the ball. On the rush. Couldn't get the basket and one, pero natawagan siya ng foul. And I think itong si number 84, si John Ventura, balik na naman sa linya.
Napakataas ng percentage itong Cavite City in terms of transition.
Oo.
Diba, most often than not, kumbaga swerte ka na kung foul lang ang maibibigay mo kung free throws. Dahil ang lakas ng kanilang conversion in transition. Lahat, even the big guys are able to run.
Oo. 0 out of 2 at the line ngayon. Itong si John Ventura. Mateo naman, setting things up. Cross court. Na ibigay nga lang sa kalaban. Bola na naman ng Cavite City.
Well, this defense of Cavite City talagang scrappy. They're everywhere.
They're everywhere. Yun nga siguro nga magandang term na ibigay dito sa Cavite City when it comes to their defense. Pushing or forcing a lot of turnovers para sa Las Piñas. And now that turnaround jumper will not go in. Mateo, outlet pass straight to the basket for the fast break finish.
Probably the easiest basket para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas here in this game. They're gonna need more of that.
Cavite City.
Oh,
Well, he decided to glide to the basket. Kaso yun nga lang. Well, heavily contested yung tawag na yun, I believe, against Sanz.
and Sanz does not agree with the call.
Oh. Well, as we can see here, let's take a look at this one more time.
was the attack.
Stands backpedaling in the... Yun na nga, bagsak dito si number 1. I believe it's Simon Santos at the line. Pero yun, medyo ramdam niyo pa siguro yung fall na yon, and the first one will not go in. May isa pa siya.
Third straight miss para dito sa Cavite City on the line.
1 out of 2, yeah.
Breaks the drought itong Cavite City. Bumagal din yung laro nila, no?
Oo.
It was an explosive first quarter for them, but here in the second quarter, nabawasan yung kanilang offensive production.
And look at that activity para sa defensive side ng Cavite City. Oh, nakahanap ng butas, pero di nga lang papasok. Pero may foul dyan para dito kay Steven De Leon.
Clearly a foul mula dito sa Cavite City.
6 na lang ang inahabol dito ng Las Piñas. Make it 5. 24-19 tayo. Mahaba-haba pa ang oras in our second quarter.
Just on our screens, Coach Egay Billones talk about basketball is life, no? Pangalawang game na nagko-coach niya ngayong umaga.
Oo nga. Pero yun na nga, no? 1 out of 2 at the line si De Leon with Lopez decides to pull up for a 3. Napalakas. Kuha yan ng Las Piñas. Kaso nga lang, turnover na naman.
Las Piñas shooting themselves in the foot with those turnovers. Maganda na yung nakuha nilang defensive stop dun. But again, could not even get a crack at the basket because of that error.
Well, they have started to have a problem on that side, you know, when it comes to their turnover since the first quarter. Pero ngayon itong Cavite City, they only have 5 seconds on the shot clock. Traveling violation nga lang.
Nagtatlong isip dun.
Oo, gusto na sanang tumira.
Oo.
Kaso humakbang na.
Hesitation normally results to a traveling, especially off a catch.
Oo. Ito naman Las Piñas. Oh, great play, great find and the finish. Richard Boha.
Yun naman, no hesitation. Ganda nung bounce pass na yun.
Once again, Las Piñas na naman ang atake. After that steal, counter steal by Cavite City.
Good anticipation right there.
Spins, kaso nga lang. Konting contact doon, pero mananatili pa rin sa panig ng Cavite City ang bola as we take a look at this once again.
Give and go action para dito sa Las Piñas. Nobody there on the weak side defense for Cavite City.
What a beautiful pass to the finish. De Los Reyes thought about the 3. Sinukat pero kinulang. Mid-range jumper on the baseline. Wala. Third attempt, wala pa din. Pero Coach Melo, exactly 5 minutes. 3 lang dito ang kalamangan ng Cavite City with 24-21.
A better quarter definitely para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas. After a slow start, ngayon unti-unti nakakabalik itong home team.
Oo. And probably because the motivation and the inspiration being given by the crowd of Las Piñas. Siyempre, you want to take advantage of the crowd support. Siyempre, nandito kayo sa home team nyo. This is your town or city.
Cavite City, after scoring 22 points in the first quarter, held down to only 2 at the halfway mark dito sa ating second quarter. A testament to the defense na pinapakita nitong Las Piñas.
So far, so good for both teams. Pero itong ang Las Piñas ang mas efficient so far in the scoring department. Despite having a lot of turnovers. Pero Cavite City naman, medyo kinulang sa conversion this time. Las Piñas trying to cross the backcourt. Behind the back, almost loses the ball. De Leon there to catch it. Mananatili sa Las Piñas ang bola.
Ang sisipag itong mga gwardiya ng Cavite City talagang
Oo.
hindi ka nila bibigyan ng pagkakataon na mabasa mo yung sitwasyon sa sahig.
Oo.
They're gonna be all over you talking about the guards of Cavite City.
Bola pa rin ng Las Piñas with only 9 seconds. Pero yun na nga, na-steal yan ng Cavite City. Kaso, nag-aalanganin kung isasalpak
Oo.
ba.
The drought continues para dito sa Cavite City. Even that layup that they normally make.
Multiple attempts para sa Cavite City. Walang pumasok. Las Piñas naman ang susubok. Wala din. Cavite City muli. De Los Reyes asks for the ball. Finds that opening. Attacks the baseline and gets the finish.
That time around, sinigurado na itong si De Los Reyes, ending the scoring drought para dito sa Cavite City.
26-21 and the excessive contact nga doon sa depensa na yon.
That clearly is a foul mula dito kay Beronio.
Medyo umiinit lang bakbakan dito sa ating 16 and under division. Pero 5 ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Cavite City and bola ng Las Piñas. Cruz will inbound. Oh, yun nga lang. Medyo napalakas yung anticipation doon.
Andun yung good intention eh.
Oo.
Kaya lang medyo masikip yung last time na yun.
Crosses the defense itong si Lopez. Finds the big man to finish the job and that will be Lomat.
Lopez making things happen with that drive. Finding Lomat dun sa ilalim.
Balik ulit sa 7 ang hinahabol ng Las Piñas. Gives it to big man. Pero yun na nga, active hands of Cavite City. Pero mababalik pa rin sa Las Piñas ang bola para dito kay Miko Sanz.
Good help and dig that time around, preventing that under goal stab.
Boha asks for that pick or screen. Mintes ang 3. Naipasa sa tiyan ng
Oo,
kalaban.
Ganda nung gusto nilang gawin eh. It's just
Oo.
that the execution. Pero talking about perfect execution, what a pass!
Castillo gets it in with that easy basket. Pero mapapatawag dyan ang Las Piñas. Balik tayo in a few.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Balik aksyon tayo dito with 2:50 remaining in our second quarter. Lamang ng Siamang Cavite City as we take a look at this replay. Tingnan natin kung gaano nga kabilis yung naging transition na yun. And yun na nga, no one there to stop him and to guard him. Therefore, pupuntos dyan si Roniel Castillo.
Ball watching moment para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas. But what about that pass? No, tatlo dinaanan. Every time you see yung mga ganong klaseng pasa, talagang hindi mo maiwasang mapabilib.
Oo, exactly. Mukha lang siyang madali tingnan na hindi natapik yun. Kaso ang bilis nun pag dumaan yun sa harap mo. Pero ito na nga. Pupukol ng 3 ng Las Piñas. Mintes, offensive rebound rather. Gagamit ng puwersa niya si Miko Sanz.
Miko Sanz that time, good patience para sa kanya.
Lopez to number 14 to De Los Reyes. Huli. Pero kanila pa rin ang bola. Too many defenders. Pangatlo. Dire-diretsong supalpalan lang para sa Las Piñas. What a great defense.
Enzo Pexon manning the paint para dito sa Las Piñas. Not allowing any easy baskets that time.
With only 5 seconds left in its shot clock. Bola ng Cavite City. We have to make this count. Decide to jump. Pinatama lang sa rim para ma-reset ng 14. Lopez. Tough shot. Gets that fadeaway finish.
Lopez coming alive here in this game. Ito namang Las Piñas ang napapako.
Oo.
After a strong run, palitan tayo dito.
Masyadong mataas yung pasa. And speaking of mataas yung pasa, yun na nga. Turnover dito ni Lopez. Ang bola to Las Piñas. Another chance for Las Piñas after that failed attempt the last time. Down by 9 points itong Las Piñas, 32-23. Make it 7. Sabi nito ni number 19, Ross Pasilyao. Cavite City. Sila naman ang mababa. Lopez de los Reyes. Asking for a teammate. Sino nga? Hands it off. Battling his way through. Kicks it out. Takes his chance. Mintes. Balik sa Cavite City ang bola. Another turnover committed by Las Piñas. De los Reyes.
Sayang yung effort minsan
Oo.
no? They're able to make a stop pero binabalik lang nila yung bola.
Yun ang masama nga dyan, ano? Pero ito, tingnan natin kung will they request for a coach's challenge?
Mukhang
Hindi na.
i-reserve muna nila.
Oo. Diretso lang tayo sa action. 48 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Pasilyao setting it up. Taking his time. Gives it to number 6, Corsiga. Hands it up to Dalimocon. Or bounce pass rather. Mintis dyan sa Dalimocon. 29 seconds. Ooh, medyo hindi nag-work yung kanyang bump doon.
Held
Pero
up.
yun na nga. Steal na naman ang Cavite City ang bola and goes straight to the basket. Itong si number 99. De los Reyes rather.
4 against 1. Balik ang bola na naman dito sa Cavite City. After being scoreless for at least 3 to 4 minutes, itong Cavite City ngayon, another burst. Momentum shifting to their side once again.
36-25 nga ang ating ending sa second quarter with 11-point lead itong Cavite City. We will be back to enter the second half.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng
Entering the second half, pero meron nga muna tayong team stats. During the first half, Coach Melo, how was the performance of Las Piñas and Cavite City?
Las Piñas started slow dito sa ating ball game pero naka-recover sila, no? But what about the aggressiveness, the intensity na pinapakita nitong Cavite City? 18 steals in the first half. A lot of their points coming from transition attacks. That is the 19th steal para sa kanila. And what a shot!
Look at that shot coming from De Los Reyes. Too flashy to get the finish.
Say whatever you want. Kung ayaw mo yung jelly, maganda pa rin talagang tingnan.
Pero may sagot ka agad dyan itong si Philip Adrias. De Los Reyes, ano naman ang magdadala ng bola. Gives it to Lopez. Lopez, middle three, gets it done.
Napa-celebrate pa itong si Lopez. What a shot. What a run. And this is the perfect start na hinahanap itong Cavite City.
In just a few seconds. Oh. Bumali pa. Second chance. Wala pa din.
That was Diaz, no? Nailang siya dun sa defender na yon.
Oo. And as we can see here, look at that shot.
The level of difficulty nung tira na yon mula dito kay De Los Reyes. Kung mag-iskora natin yun, pwede sa 11 out of 10.
Kasi may finish eh. Kung hindi pumasok yun, wala. Hindi counted.
Oo,
Kaso pumasok eh.
Kung sumabla yun, 1 ang grade nun. No?
Sabihin, puro style. Kaso hindi inubra kay De Los Reyes being a flashy player for Cavite City. And as we can see here, Lopez crossing the defense of the white shirt. Oh, De Los Reyes. Ooh. Crossover. Pero yun na nga, bigay niya kay Lopez dito. De Los Reyes and Lopez connection. Decides to shoot, pero mas malaki ang defender. Pasok pa rin yan.
Great effort para kay Ryan De Los Reyes. Dalawa lang sila
Oo.
na humahawak ng bola nung possession na yun.
Huli.
Rejection mula dito kay Lomat. Not in my house, sabi niya.
Oo. Sabi niya, city nyo, pero bahay ko na to. Game 1 pa lang ng Cavite City ito, ladies and gentlemen. And Las Piñas won their last outing by just 1 point. Oh! Almost an in-and-out situation, pero makukuha ni Kyler Corsiga ang 3.
In, out, and in again para dito sa Las Piñas. Kanina pa nangyayari sa kanila, no? But
Oo.
good thing on that last possession, nahulog yung tira na yun.
A bit short para sa Cavite City. Look at that! Back-to-back performances para dito kay Ryan De Los Reyes.
De Los Reyes making sure na si Direk Koy ay maraming makikitang highlights.
Maraming mapipili. Nahuli na naman on that side. This time si Dalimoco naman. Ball stolen by Lopez. De Los Reyes, iisa na naman.
This has been a Ryan De Los Reyes show.
Dahil dyan, mapipilitan tumawag ng timeout ang panig ng Las Piñas. Balik tayo in a few.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang
Ryan De Los Reyes flash on our screen. Speaking of flash, what a flashy move. Tingnan natin yung kanyang performance kanina. Look at that. Binali pa. Munting split lang sa ere.
De Los Reyes showing us the athleticism. Already has 12 points here in this game to go along with 6 rebounds and 8 assists.
What a performance by De Los Reyes. Pero bigyan muna natin to kay CJ. CJ, what do we have?
Thank you, John. A short but strong command from Coach Egay Billones. Take care of the ball. It's very evident that Las Piñas is somewhat rattled and almost giving up, but hopefully with what Coach said during the halftime break will bring sense to them that this isn't over yet. Gentlemen.
49-34 ang score natin. 15 na naman ang kalamangan. Make it 13 from underneath itong si Miko Sanz.
Good pass para dito sa Las Piñas and an even better catch and finish from Sanz. Pero yun nga, no, kanina they were only down by 3 talking about Las Piñas. But again, itong sila De Los Reyes, diba, showing signs of life para dito sa Cavite City.
Roniel Castillo was able to get the score.
Oo. Hawa-hawa na itong Cavite
Oo.
City.
Nakapuntos na naman dyan si Miko Sanz.
Miko Sanz, patambay-tambay doon sa ilalim. Nakaka-4 na puntos na.
Pero yun na nga, no, yung momentum na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, yung flashiness ito ni... Oh! Look at that! Celebration by Lopez, knocking down that three.
Maganda yung tira na yun, pero mas gusto kong mapanood yung celebration eh.
Parang ngayon lang ko lang nakita yun, pero may sagot naman dyan kaagad syempre, Las Piñas.
Oh, you cannot celebrate too much if you're Cavite City.
Oo.
You know that Las Piñas is capable of making a comeback.
Especially, no, very close ball game yung last outing nila. 1 point lang ikinapanalo. Yun ang gusto kong makita kung maididikit nila to here in the third quarter. Miko San secures the board. Pass too strong, pero nakuha yan ni Mateo. Ooh, clean swipe coming from De Los Reyes. From offense to defense.
Oo, nagmamadali. Yung Las Piñas in that last sequence, natuluyan na nga sa turnover yun.
Well, sayang naman yung last ball possession na yun. Pero tingnan natin, Cavite City angat ng 14 dito. Halfway through the third quarter and John Carr is back in action. Ventura as well. Bigay kay John Carr. Right wing three, Mintes. Second chance, wala pa din. Sisecure na yan ni 85 Gian Prolaje.
Good stop for Las Piñas.
Ooh, Miko Sanz. Great use of the body to draw the foul.
Using the aggressiveness nitong si De Los Reyes against him, Miko Sanz. Biglang bumagal eh.
Oo.
Akala ni De Los Reyes paangat na.
Oo. Ang gandang bait nun para dito kay Miko Sanz. Pero 14 pa rin ang kanilang hinahabol dito. Let's see if they can make this count.
Dati puro guards lang yung makikita mong nagpipinoy step. And ngayon, even the big men are able to do it. And it's nice to see dahil even in the international game, di ba? Has been recognized and used.
Yun nga actually yung maganda ron, raising the Philippine flag.
Oo.
Imagine mo, foreign players and international players and well-known players using the Pinoy step, reaching the international level. Pero yun na nga, Sanz was able to get the free throws in. 12 ang hinahabol nila dito. John Carr setting up for Cavite City. Hanap siya ng butas dito. De Los Reyes, pupukol ng 3. Mintes. Las Piñas naman, Pasilyao. Cross pass, nabasa ni John Carr on the rush. Fast break finish, too strong. Hindi yan makakapuntos.
John Carr, too quick for his own good that time around. Good effort on the part of Las Piñas, not giving up on the play.
Pero yun, kitang-kita natin dito yung defensive efforts nila De Los Reyes for Cavite City. Although hindi nila nakukuha yung bola with those swats. Pero nahi-stop naman nila yung momentum na binibuild ng Las Piñas City. Therefore, good defensive stop pa rin. Pero yun nga, Pasilyao.
Minsan hindi naman ang defense, hindi naman yung naaagaw mo yung bola. No? If you're able to control the tempo at naaalis mo yung kalaban sa kanilang comfort zone, that's a very good defense.
Siyempre, that's also a way to disrupt the play ng Las Piñas. Pero itong si Pasilyao at the line. If they can capitalize on the free throws, they can inch a bit closer to Cavite City, especially now. 11 na lang hinahabol nila from 14, I believe. Las Piñas through T-Cooler, 16 and under division in their hometown. Pasilyao makes it work. 10 na lang ang kalamangan ng Cavite City. Tingnan natin kung dadagdagan pa ito ng Cavite.
Muling kumakatok itong Las Piñas. We've seen them get a game closer to as low as 3 points difference.
Oo.
But after that, Cavite City exploded.
Great anticipation and great steal by Pasilyao. Goes straight to the basket. Turns around. Kicks it out. Miko Sanz steps back. Pulls up. The jumper is good.
Showing us the range. Miko Sanz with that step back jumper.
De Los Reyes. Sasagot naman dyan. Ooh. Just couldn't get the finish.
They need to settle down. Talking about Cavite City. No need to rush. Silang may lamang dito.
And what they're doing now is napapahabol nila ang Las Piñas.
Oo.
Shifting the momentum to Las Piñas side, and looking at this replay once again, this is what made the deficit for Las Piñas, or this was the last contact, yung foul ni De Los Reyes. Pero as we can see on our scores, 54-46, single digit na lang ang lamang dito na hinahabol ng Las Piñas. 8 na lang. Oh, from deep. And nakuha niya yan.
Basilyao cuts the lead down to 5. Ang layo ng 3-pointer na yun. That will prompt a Cavite City timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
3:09 remaining tayo dito sa third quarter natin, and makikita natin dito from way downtown, no hesitation. Kung makikita natin dun si Basilyao, para nga lang siyang tumatansya kung papasok, pero ang ganda ng tira na binigay niya na yon.
That is a big 3-pointer para dito sa Las Piñas. Pipiliting sagutin yon, but nonetheless, ito na naman ang Las Piñas, no? Nagmamadali.
May pumali. Pero hindi yan papasok. Bola pa rin ng Las Piñas. Great effort so far for Las Piñas. Kanina, scoring drought sila. Napako na sila at some point. Pero ngayon, 5 na lang ang hinahabol nila. Looking to make it 3 or 2. Pero yon, wala pa rin. The follow-up is in care of Gian Prolaje, the big man.
Second serving para dito kay Prolaje. We have a ball game.
Lopez attempted that 3. 3 points na lang hinahabol dito. Prolaje, no dribble needed. Coming from Basilyao.
That is a difficult catch para kay Prolaje.
Isa na lang ay nahabol nila dito. Penalty situation pa ang Cavite City. Lopez post up for 3. Mintes. Bola ng Las Piñas. Sila naman ang atake. No look pass para kay Basilyao. Pexon. Left wing 3. Tapos ng konti, kuha yan ni Lopez. Outlet pass for the fast break finish. De Los Reyes naman.
And that is something you don't want to see if you're Las Piñas. Dahil alam naman natin na every time si De Los Reyes ang nakakascore, yung buong team no, nabubuhay.
Oo. Pero tingnan natin, Adrias drives to the center, gets it in. Balik sa isang kanilang hinahabol.
Gets it to fall. Palitan tayo ngayon dito. What a ball game we're watching.
Well, masasabi kong ganito yung magandang palitan kasi isa-isa lang naman yung hinahabol. Balik sa 3, balik sa isa. 43 pulls up, Mintes. Ayan na ang pasa from the outlet pass and gets the finish. That was Basilyao once again.
Basilyao taking over dito sa ating ball game. That big 3-pointer earlier, sinundan with that layup.
Oh, what a steal by Adrias. Contested by Lopez. Kuha ng Cavite City ang bola. De Los Reyes. Atake. Hinanap din si 43. Si Castillo, pero may whistle on that last play.
There was a foul before that pass. But the pace that we're going right now, believe ko rin dito sa conditioning na pinapakita ng mga players natin. Ano, short rotation for Cavite City para naman dito sa Las Piñas. For you to be able to make a run twice already in a ball game, diba? That should take a toll on you. Pero ngayon makikita mo, mataas pa rin ang energy nila.
Cruz drops it off. A lot of ball movement just to find that opening, and Miko Sanz makes it work.
Miko Sanz, another basket for him. Starting to be a problem para dito sa Cavite City, itong si Sanz.
Taking the lead to their side, Cavite City down by 3. Now ito naman. Look at that easy layup finish coming from Mateo of Las Piñas.
Las Piñas giving Cavite City a dose of their own medicine. Sila naman ang nag-create ng mga steal dito.
Hindi nagagana yung tira ni De Los Reyes with 2 seconds remaining. Still pa dyan ni Lomat. And that will be it. Pero may foul on that last before the buzzer. Yun. Number 14 ang natawagan, si Pexon. Pero dagdag na lang yun sa record nila. Hindi naman sila ito penalty situation. 61-56 coach. Lamang na 5 Las Piñas. Balik tayo for the fourth.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
From tip up to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying a game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings a flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Just like magic, Coach Melo, 5 points na ang kalamangan dito ng Las Piñas. Nabaliktad na ang sitwasyon. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na isa lang ang kalamangan na naipanalo nung Las Piñas in their last outing. Ganon kadikit. And kanina down sila by double digits. Sabi natin, this will be exciting kung mahabol nila in the third quarter. And they did. Lumamang pa na 5.
That is an explosive third quarter para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas. After only scoring 9 points in the second quarter, they were able to produce 36 big points.
What a play coming from Las Piñas, and now ballin na naman nila. Oh, spins, pero mapipigilan yan. Lopez on the rush, contested. Nailang kay Mateo.
Oo, sumili pa sa side mirror itong si Lopez.
Or that's Cruz rather, nailang sa kay Cruz. De Los Reyes. Oh, so my step, trying to be flashy again. Hindi nagagana yan. Outlet pass. Miko Sanz at a height advantage against John Carr, pero makukuha pa rin ng Las Piñas ang bola.
John Carr standing his ground against a much taller Sanz. That's the importance of being able to defend multiple positions, no? Kahit na undersized ka.
Oo,
And that's the reason why mahaba ang playing time itong si Carr.
exactly. Pexon. Pull-up jumper, Mintis. Number 14, si Lomat. Mimili ng papasahan. John Carr napili. Asking for that support. Ooh. Miscommunication.
Oo. John Carr. Hindi pa sila tapos magdiskusyon dito dun sa last play na yun.
Didiskusyon sila ni De Los Reyes kasi nga nawala na yung momentum on their side. Hindi pa sila nakakascore dito sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. At yun na nga, bola na naman ng Las Piñas. Pasiliao. Hanap dito ng opening. Nakita si 14. Mintes. Follow up, wala pa din. Kuha yan ni De Los Reyes.
Sorry miss para sa Las Piñas.
Taking matters into his own hands. Pero hindi nga papasok yon. Pero may bonus naman siyang 2 free throw doon sa effort niya na yun.
De Los Reyes. Parang ginawang practice cone, no? Yung mga defenders,
Oo.
dinaanan lang.
Although not being able to secure the finish, pero nakita natin yung drive niya through the lane.
Oo eh. Because that will put a lot of pressure sa depensa. Eh, diba? Every time you're able to push the ball. Pero every time din, pinupuri natin yung mga players.
Oo.
Sumasabla yun, the free throws.
Siguro, coach, hindi na sa atin, nasa crowd na yung Las Piñas. Kasi grabe yung cheer nila. Talagang papaling yung tira. Pero yun na nga, second free throw is good para dito kay De Los Reyes. 1 out of 2 at the line.
Oh, turnover. Unforced error para dito sa panig ng Las Piñas.
Well, that's not what you want to see, knowing that you're only up by 4
Oo.
points.
No lead is safe.
Exactly. Well, pinakita yan ng Las Piñas kanina. No lead is safe. Double digit. I guess 13, 14 point lead. Pero nahabol nila. Nakalamang pa ng 5. Kaso, itong Cavite City is very capable as well. John Carr. Cross pass to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, unselfish play. Mas okay nga naman doon view doon kay number 14, Joaquin Lomat.
Able to beat the shot clock was Lomat.
Las Piñas naman. Dalimokon.
Dangerous pass.
Well, nakita din si Corsiga kaso contested siya doon ito ni number number 19.
But lucky break for Las Piñas. They will retain possession.
Yeah. Number 9 pala itong si Lopez. Magaling nga siyang tandaan, naka-headband lang. Bola pa rin ng Las Piñas. Plenty of time on the shot clock. Adrias fakes that 3. Good ball movement, kaso nga lang heavily guarded by the red shirts. Yun na nga, pass intercepted. Nakuha naman niya pabalik ng Las Piñas. Pexon. Lipad sabay pasa and mas okay nga naman ang pwesto dyan ni Kyler Corsiga.
Kyler Corsiga that time not hesitating anymore. Tinira niya na yun and he is able to convert.
Ang tuloy sa apat ang kalamangan. Lopez fires for 3, misfires.
Would have been big para dito kay Lopez. But the difference is yung unang naipukol niya mga tira is in rhythm. That time around medyo persado.
John Carr goes straight to the basket for the fast break finish.
And John Carr proving once again why he deserves this playing time, anticipating that pass and finishing that layup.
All him. Ooh, try to be fancy in that layup. Ito si Pasilio turning the ball over. Sino nga, little scramble, fighting for that leather. Ball possession, Cavite City. Fires from deep, wala. Second chance is good. John Ventura naman.
Failing to box out itong Las Piñas. John Ventura taking advantage of that opportunity.
Tabla tayo, Coach Melo, sa 63. May sinasabi ka ba kanina, Coach Melo? 2 letters yun eh. Pero mahaba-haba pa oras, Coach Melo. 6 minutes pa tayo. Pexon, left corner 3, and gets it in!
And Pexon extending this lead, breaking that tie. Akyat muli sa 3 ang kalamangan.
De Los Reyes naman sa 3, mintis siya dyan. Oh! That won't work for Cavite City. Now Las Piñas naman. Dalimokon. Creative. Second chance is good. This time, si Pexon ang magliligtas.
Pexon has been very active here in this game. Siya nga yung nagmamando dyan sa gitna, no, para mahirapan makapuntos itong Cavite City, but also able to contribute on the offense.
5-0 run para dito sa Las Piñas. 5 ulit ang hinahabol dito ng Cavite City after tumabla sa 63. Ubus na ang oras sa shot clock. 3 seconds. Binigay pa. Mas napaganda.
Second time around that they were able to beat the shot clock, talking about itong Cavite City.
Well, yung awareness ni De Los Reyes at makita si John Ventura before the buzzer sounds. Pero yun na nga, may sagot naman din dyan si Corsiga at dahil dyan, itong Cavite City naman ang mapapatawag ng time out. Balik tayo in a few seconds.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan.
We have on our screen Mr. Joko Diaz supporting Cavite City Hoop Lab X Royal Air Philippines, and halfway through our final quarter, and ito ang si Pio Francis Diaz ang isa sa sinusuportahan nito ni Mr. Joko Diaz. Welcome to the Junior MPBL, sir, and thank you for your support.
Idol natin yan. Magaling din mag-basketball. Si Sir Joko Diaz.
And speaking of magaling na basketball, Mateo with a little stare down after that finish.
Las Piñas naman ngayon ang sunod-sunod na nakakakuha ng steals. The defensive adjustments from Coach Egay Billones working in this game.
John Carr pumukol ng 3 on the other side.
Pamatay sunog para dito kay John Carr.
Oh, pass anticipated. Coach, yun pa rin ang nakikita natin na medyo sakit ng Las Piñas when it comes to their turnovers. The flash and still won't work para dito kay De Los Reyes in our 4th quarter. Oh, Pexon contested pero yun na nga, siya ang natawagan ng foul on that last sequence. 72-68, apat pa rin ang kalamangan ng Las Piñas. Habol dito ang Cavite City, 4:01 ang natitira sa atin. Once again, itong 16 and under division. First game nitong Cavite City looking to secure their first victory. John Carr from way downtown. Sablay. Follow-up is good. That was Inigo Nebril. I believe that was his first 2 points.
Second serving working that time para dito sa Cavite City. Still refusing to give up. Naibaba ulit ang lamang sa dalawa.
Dalawa na lang. Pexon pulls up for 3. Misses. De Los Reyes to John Carr. John Carr, malayo na naman. Kapos ng bahagya. Oh! Medyo na-relax doon si Miko Sanz.
Oo.
Almost loses that ball. Great find. Yun nga lang.
Natuluyan.
Natuluyan na ang turnover na binabanggit natin.
And this is where, composure starts to be a huge factor. Diba? There's no need to rush. It's a possession by possession game.
Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Cavite City. Looking to tie things up or to take back the lead. Let's see kung saan nila pipiliin. Pero yun na nga. Great active hands by Las Piñas. Pexon couldn't finish on that fast break play. Pero may dalawang free throw naman siya.
Pexon, a recipient of that pass, being rewarded dahil siya na yung taga-depensa, siya na yung taga-agaw this time around. Siya naman ang tutulong na makapuntos para sa Las Piñas.
As we see here, Pexon at the line. First free throw is in. Second free throw. Oh, 2 for 2 si Pexon. Mailalayo ulit sa 4 ang kalamangan nitong Las Piñas. John Carr setting things up. Heavily guarded. Shoots for 3. Gets it in. This time, Inigo Nebril naman.
Showing a lot of heart itong Cavite City. Refusing to give up. Another 3-pointer para sa kanila.
Pero easy basket ang sagot dyan ni Dalimocon.
Napakamot na lang itong si Loman at De Los Reyes. Nakaligtaan nila yung depensa that time.
Sobrang easy nun para kay Dalimocon. At yun na nga, lamang na naman ang 3. Palitan ng puntos dito ang Cavite at Las Piñas. Pero Cavite halos ubos ng oras. Naagaw pa ng Las Piñas ang bola. Pexon nagdadala. Big man, kaso yun nga lang. Loose ball doon, pero De Los Reyes. Last touch and a little exchange of words. Dito si Mateo and De Los Reyes, they have to keep their cool. We are nearing the 2-minute mark and the timeout. Ito ang Las Piñas. Magbabalik tayo after the timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Emotions getting high dito sa ating ball game.
Emotions getting high as the score gets higher para sa parehong koponan. And yun na nga, no? Mananatili sa panig ng Las Piñas ang bola.
And we've seen this a lot of times already. Cooler heads will prevail.
Cooler heads will prevail indeed. And tignan nga natin, 3 lang ang lamang ng Las Piñas dito. If they lose their cool, makukuha yan ng Cavite City. Basket will not count. But this time, si Mateo naman na nagpapakalma dito kay John Carr. Kanina siya yung medyo may exchange of words against De Los Reyes. At this time, siya naman yung middleman ito. That's what we want to see.
Yan ang teamwork. Diba, you not allow your teammate na mawala ang focus sa game.
Oo, and at the same time, ikaw na rin yung pumapagitna pati dun sa kabilang koponan. Pero yun na nga, turnover naman ng Cavite City and forcing that foul. Itong si number 84, John Ventura. May halo ng frustration dun sa part na yun.
Still a lot of time. Ang maganda lang dito sa panig ng Las Piñas, galing na sila sa tight ball game. Diba?
Oo.
They know what it feels to be in this type of situation.
And of course, they wouldn't want to for Cavite City to take over once again.
Oo.
Because it will be very difficult for them. Coach, we are down to our final minute and 43. Pero turnover pa din dito sa Las Piñas City. Tingnan natin kung ano nga ba ang isasagot ng Cavite City. Can they tie things up or inch a bit closer to a single point deficit?
No need to rush here if you're Cavite City. And as I say that, an ill-advised shot.
Akala ko pa naman sasabihin ni John Carr, wait ka lang Coach Melo. Kaso yun nga, napamadali yung tira na yun. Bola na naman ng Las Piñas. Mateo will inbound. Let's see. 1 minute 25 seconds remaining. Mateo trying to cross Lopez.
An important possession para dito sa Las Piñas. A basket would give them a cushion.
Basket. Baka mo, Coach Melo. Dali mo ko naman this time.
That's going to put a lot of pressure dito ngayon sa panig ng Cavite City.
Sila naman nagmamadali ngayon. Cavite City gustong humabol. Drops it off. Finds that easy basket. This time si Derek Gaco for his first 2 points.
Good pass mula dito kay Ventura. This is only a one possession ball game. Sure, Cavite City, you just need to make a stop in this possession.
78-75 coach. Still a very close ball game. 3 lang ang inahabol dito ng Cavite City.
And that is the stop that they were looking for, your Cavite City.
Great stop para dito sa Cavite City. Mapupunta ulit sa kanila ang bola. We got Ventura inbounding for Cavite. Will give it to Lopez. Lopez decides to pull up for 3 and knocks it down.
And not the guy you want to leave open if you're Las Piñas. Third three-pointer para dito kay Lopez. That's the same spot.
30 seconds to go, coach. 78 all. Bola na naman ng Cavite City. Want a turnover after the 3. Nakakuha pa sila ng turnover doon, coach. Another 3 attempted by number 23 kay Gaco Mintes. 15 seconds. With 6 seconds to shoot, Lopez pulls up for another 3. 9 seconds. Tabla tayo sa 78. Nalibre! There you have it. Kyler Corsiga. This could be it. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos, coach. 3 points, 3 seconds pa natitira.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Back from that quick break as we take a look at this once again.
This is the shot from Lopez, a big three to tie the ball game. But what a turn of events para naman dito sa Las Piñas. Able to find underneath itong si Kyler Corsiga to give them the lead with 3.4 seconds left.
Kyler Corsiga could be the hero here, pero yung pasa na yun, napakaganda, na libre si Corsiga dahil nag-gather ng teammate niya yung atensyon and hindi siya napansin. Lopez went in for the defense. Kaso yun na nga lang, with 3.4 seconds remaining, dalawa ang hahabulin dito ng Cavite City, and let's see. Nandito sila sa kanilang court with 3 seconds remaining.
Cavite City can go for a win with a 3-pointer here.
Cruz and John Ventura going at it, pero syempre, kailangang ma-remind sila. Mainit ang bakbakan, pero dapat malamig ang ulo.
And putting a much taller defender on the inbounder is Coach Edgar Villones.
That'll be Pexon, coach, tama? Yes, Enzo Pexon. Lopez, 1 second, post up. That will be it. Ladies and gentlemen, what a game we have witnessed. Las Piñas takes home the victory. 2-point lead this time, Coach Melo.
Showing a lot of heart. Itong Las Piñas was down a couple of times in the ball game by as much as 14 big points. Pero yung kanilang puso ipinakita dito, making a huge comeback, winning by 2 against Cavite.
80-78 nga ang ating final score. Dalawa lang. Pinakaba pa ang parehong koponan in that few seconds. But I think 18 to 15 seconds remaining and tabla pa sila at 78, pero nakapuntos doon si Corsiga. And tingnan nga natin ang ating awardees in a few seconds. Ating Don Benitos Defensive Player of the Game, ang ating Milo Assist Champ of the Game, and of course, our Chef's Magic Player of the Game after that amazing ball game. Pero syempre, we have on our screen from Las Piñas, Defensive Player of the Game from Don Benitos, Enzo Pexon with 8 rebounds. Siyempre, meron din tayo Assist Champ of the Game, none other than itong si Rhyme De Los Reyes with 11 assists. Double-digit performance from Cavite naman. And of course, we have our Chef's Magic Player of the Game at si CJ ang na nga ang mag-i-interview dyan. Bigyan na natin to kay CJ to announce our Best Player of the Game.
Congratulations to our Chef's Magic Player of the Game, Andre Sanz. Andre, congratulations. It was definitely a tight ball game. How were you able to pull off this win?
Uy! Ano, isa pa?
How were you able to pull off this win after a such tight ball game?
Nakinig lang po kami sa coach namin, saka sa mga pinapagawa sa amin. At nanalig talaga kami sa Diyos.
Andre, may gusto ka bang batiyan at pasalamatan?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Diyos dahil sa binigay niya pagkakataon na ito. At sa mga coaches namin po, thank you din. At sa mga teammates namin.
Thank you and congratulations once again. Turning it back to you, gentlemen.
Congratulations once again to Las Piñas Truty Coolers back in their second victory here in Season 4. Pero huwag kayong lalayo. Babalik tayo for game number 3 in the 18 and under division naman.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.